Hey everyone, it's time for your 1 minute fitness break. So, what can you get done in 1 minute? Here's a variation of your plank and mountain combination exercise. So, get in your plank position. You're going to walk your feet in, walk your feet out, tap your shoulders. Walk your feet in, walk your feet out, and tap your shoulders. Walk in and walk out and tap and repeat. Do that a couple of times. You can do like 3 exercises of 10. That's going to take you longer than a minute. But you do 1 set of 10 with the bear crawl plank, and that's your fitness break. So guys, I just wanted to let you know that it is Christmas time, so this is the last 1 minute fitness break until after Christmas. So on that note, have a very, very Merry Christmas. I hope everybody has a lovely time, and I just want to say from myself, Penny Hounsome, have a very Merry Christmas.